coffee break in physio clinic. Anyways, these days we
Yeah.
barely have patience.
So we thought it's better to discuss some burning topics,
Yeah, controversial topics.
And as an FYI, we are not going to be playing safe. Okay.
Yeah, they're not in college anymore to be playing safe.
I am not in academic college anymore, so I don't have to worry about the consequences. So, but we are going to touch some topics which are relevant to clinicians, to
Yeah.
students
Yes.
especially, and I think it's time we start discussing them in a bigger forum.
Right.
And with that, I thought we'd start with a topic which is very close to our student population,
Yes.
which is MMT.
MMT.
Yeah, so tell us, Priya, about your experiences with MMT.
So, like when I was in my UG days, okay, and we were always asked whenever we are treating any musculoskeletal population also, we are always asked in our assessment to perform MMT, which never used to make sense to me because they would always be more than grade 3.
Yeah.
But still, we used to always grade them something like 3 or 3 plus.
The problem with MMT is that जब ये इन्वेंट किया था, okay, it was invented to during the polio epidemic, okay,
right.
and polio is a neuromuscular disease, okay.
Yes.
So it is very relevant when you have grades which are 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. उसके आगे इसका कुछ खास काम नहीं है, okay.
Right.
If you look at the evidences of MMT, you will see MMT being used in polio, spina bifida, and other lower motor neuron neuromuscular diseases. So that is where MMT came from.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Why are we using it for musculoskeletal
why we
population?
adopted it for back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, neck pain? I don't know about why we used for this that way. Yeah.
So because now also when I was in my I just finished my masters and I have gone through so many articles.
Yeah.
Right from knee osteoarthritis to neck pain. Nobody really makes use of such tests.
Yeah.
They are using all sorts of functional tests to grade or how to assess and how to perform the treatment henceforth. Then why are we still stuck with MMT? Why?
You know the funny thing was कि because MMT was supposed to be done in every musculoskeletal case. जब मैं exam लेता था MGM में तभी, and every person with ONE, okay, who used to come to our OPD was graded. Quadriceps तो करना ही है MMT, okay. They used to grade because pass तो दिखा नहीं सकते. Pass मतलब normal हो गया, okay. So students will grade the MMT as 3 plus or 4 minus or 4 जो भी है, जो भी weird definition उसका रहेगा. And these are those patients who are coming walking to their OPD, okay. And they're coming walking, क्या कहते हैं अपना ओपीडी भी जो था वो अंडरग्राउंड था, बेसमेंट में था, मतलब एक माला उतर के वो आ रहे, ट्रीटमेंट ले रहे, we are grading them as 3 plus for quadriceps and they go back climbing stairs and we are still grading them as 3 plus. So yeah, it is just क्या कहते हैं very weird.
And the problem is we sometimes know that this is something which is not answering all our questions, but we are still using it in our treatment protocols also. Our treatments become something like I have to train the muscle. So something on that.
I'll put it this way. You know, when you do MMT in ONE patients of quadriceps, okay, gluteus medius का किया, gluteus maximus का किया, okay, we are thinking of muscles given a specific role, okay. Let us put it this way, okay, कि biceps का काम है elbow flexion, okay, that's it. That's it.
But that's it?
Yeah, that's it. इसके अलावा biceps नहीं है, okay. Nobody will think कि pulling is
also a
biceps. So that is the thing कि let's look at quadriceps for example, okay. We are thinking quadriceps because what happens, although their intention is not that way, but when we are giving them roles, students के दिमाग में ये फिट हो जाता है कि इस मसल का काम यही है,
सिर्फ knee extension है,
knee extension, that's it, yeah. और कहीं पे उसका काम नहीं.
Also, one more thing that comes into our one more thing that we have to consider is hamstring, okay. We think that hamstring is only going to perform knee flexion, whereas maximum activity of hamstring is used in the eccentric activity, okay. Whenever you are doing running also, you are going to make the use of the hamstring muscle in the eccentric fashion. Then why are we training in a concentric manner? So
Yeah.
why so many
You
confusions
train
about?
in a concentric manner because you test in a concentric manner.
Yeah. So
Getting it? Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Because you tested MMT in a concentric manner. उसमें आपको for some reason deficit आया. So you will treat in a concentric manner.
Yeah.
जबकि hamstring is never, very rarely used in concentric.
Exactly,
Okay. It is
exactly.
used for eccentric. Bending forwards is
Hmm.
eccentric hamstring. Okay.
Yes.
So it is the problem with MMTA is that we are giving one role to one muscle. That way, like I will tell you something. ये तो मतलब क्या कहते हैं कि पेक्टोरल्स का हमने काम किया कि पेक्टोरल्स का एक्शन है अपना शोल्डर अडक्शन. ओके, दिस इज योर पेक्टोरल्स का एक्शन. कभी हम लोग ये सोचते ही नहीं है कि अगर मैं ये एक्शन भी कर रहा हूँ, ओके, आई एम डूइंग दिस एज एन एक्शन, दिस इज स्टिल पेक्टोरल्स. ओके, सो पेक्टोरल्स आर वर्किंग. बट कभी मतलब एज अ स्टूडेंट कभी वो दिमाग में नहीं आता कि यू नो व्हाट, अगर आई एम गेटिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम द अपर रैक आल्सो, पेक्टोरल्स आर गोइंग टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू इट. सो दैट इज द थिंग.
And also, like when we are performing certain movements, is it really that we are doing one single plane में movements? Like what I mean to say is कि are we just using one joint at a time, or is it the entire compound movement taking place?
Yeah. So there is a problem with giving one role to one muscle. Okay.
Yes.
B, if you see musculoskeletal, what is more important is looking at the functional movements.
Yes.
Okay, so let's say a functional movement is a sit to stand. Okay, patient is saying मेरा problem है मुझे उठते समय तकलीफ हो रहा है. Okay, either
Yes.
pain हो रहा है or I'm struggling of getting up. Okay.
Right.
Now, if you read a little bit of other literatures, let us say from the world of strength and conditioning or CrossFit, they would say these functional movements are indivisible. इनको further divide नहीं कर
नहीं कर
सकते.
सकते.
Sit to
The
stand, fundamental movements. Sit
Yeah.
to stand is sit to stand. If I have weakness in sit to stand से खड़ा रहते समय, मतलब basically if I'm sit to stand में कर रहा हूँ, I have to go to the edge and then stand. That means there is some weakness in my sit to stand. जिसका treatment should be sit to stand.
Yeah. So true.
You
Yeah.
cannot treat sit to stand में problem आ रहा है, इसलिए quadriceps अलग से, glute
Glutes
में अलग से, and then सबको साथ में डाल के you are getting.
Yeah.
नहीं, इसे कभी हुआ नहीं है. There is no literature about that. But we somehow want to believe that. We want to believe that कि sit to stand can improve if I treat individual muscles separately. I think that is the thing कि MMT not just creates a faulty picture of the way human body functions in our brain. It also screws up to a large extent the way we treat. Or the way we plan treatments.
Yes, so true.
So that is the
Yes.
thing which definitely happens with MMT that way.
Also, like the basic limitations of MMT
Yeah.
itself, you know, something like it is so subjective.
Yeah.
Your grade 4
Yeah.
out of 5 and
Yeah.
mine would be
True.
so different.
It will be different, yeah.
Yeah.
And we used to see that. We used to see that in our OPDs के जहाँ पे
Yes.
this strong guys or strong girls, they used to give क्या कहते हैं resistance to this old fragile females and grade them as 3. Grade them as
Yeah.
उनके age के लिए उनके
Yeah.
body type के लिए they are doing
Right,
well
right.
that way.
Right.
Other thing
Hmm.
is the ceiling effect. Ceiling मतलब CE वाला है इंजी. Ceiling effect. Okay.
Okay.
You are if someone else grades your quadriceps on MMT, it will be grade 5 on 5.
Hmm.
Me will be 5 on 5.
Right.
But if you are able to do 25 squats in 1 minute, and I am able to do 20 squats in 1 minute, clearly, functionally,
I am
you
stronger.
are stronger than me. But this will never be identified on MMT.
Right.
So it cannot help you beyond a point.
Yeah.
Okay, it can help you when you are having neuromuscular diseases
Hmm.
or you are very weak.
Yes.
But एक लेवल के बाद MMT का कुछ use नहीं है that way.
So we clearly understand
Yeah.
the fact that
Yeah.
in musculoskeletal rehabilitation,
Yeah.
MMT is something which is not something that we should really think about using it or what.
नहीं, but एक और मतलब मैं एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि this is where I feel the inertia comes in. Is that कि हम लोग we will encourage students to look at research. We will encourage MPTs to look at research and talk about research to us.
Yes.
गए 10 या 15 साल का कोई भी आर्टिकल उठाओ मस्कुलोस्केलेटल का, नी पेन, बैक पेन,
So true.
ओके,
So true.
एक आर्टिकल बताओ जहाँ पे उन्होंने क्वाड्रिसेप्स का एमएमटी किया है. एक आर्टिकल बताओ जहाँ पे उन्होंने बैक एक्सटेंसर्स का एमएमटी किया
Yeah.
है.
They always prefer functional
They will do
tests.
functional tests.
Yeah.
Or they will do some lab investigation, but they will never do an MMT in a musculoskeletal
Yeah.
kind of a rehab. Okay, a chronic कोल्ड मस्कुलोस्केलेटल रिहैब में एमएमटी कोई यूज नहीं करेगा,
Yeah.
बट यू वांट स्टूडेंट्स टू रीड रिसर्च,
and
But-
still perform
और जब
MMT.
एग्जाम में आएंगे, क्योंकि एग्जाम में कहीं से भी आ सकता है, ओके, उस इसके अंदर यू आर मेड टू डू एमएमटी, ओके,
Yeah.
सो दे आर मेड एवरी एमपीटी एग्जाम में वी आर स्टिल एक्सपेक्टेड टू डू एमएमटी,
Yeah.
जबकि रेलेवेंट ही नहीं है. सो
Exactly.
ओनली वन केस जहां पे द स्टूडेंट वुड कॉन्फिडेंटली से ONE पेशेंट से आई वांट टू फंक्शनल टेस्ट, okay, I want to do 30-second chair rise test,
Yeah.
I want to look at the gate velocity,
Yes.
okay, no, we want to still look at MMT. So this क्या कहते हैं, this microscopic way of looking at things, it should change. It should change. And clinicians जो भी है,
Yeah.
हम लोग कहाँ करते हैं MMT, बराबर कि नहीं? देखो
Yeah.
ONE patient जब आता है, कितने जो हम लोग MMT करते हैं, we will look at the functional, you know what is the problem, I'm
Yes.
sit to stand is the problem,
Yeah.
climbing downstairs is the problem. और जब वो अचीव हो गया तो खत्म हो गया बात,
Yeah.
that way.
Exactly.
So yeah, that has to change. That is the thing. So yes, so you know, is in small discussions. Okay, so it takes less than 10 minutes to finish a cup of tea. So we want to
Yeah.
keep it short. But the thing is, A is that please go back and we will share in the comment section. Let us
Yes.
also put
Yeah.
कौन सा आर्टिकल है मस्कुलोस्केलेटल में जो बोलता है ONE में एमएमटी करना है, कौन सा
Hmm.
आर्टिकल है जो मस्कुलर में जो कहता है कि बैक पेन में एमएमटी करना है. ओके,
Hmm.
few colleges have stopped doing that, let me put it
Yes.
honestly, few
Yes.
colleges stopped doing
Absolutely,
that,
yes.
but majority colleges in India have not stopped doing
Yes.
MMT in cold chronic musculoskeletal
Hmm.
conditions. लोग स्पोर्ट्स में भी एमएमटी करते हैं. ओके, मतलब जो बंदा मतलब क्या कहते हैं, he's
He's like beyond a
Yeah.
certain performance.
Yeah.
Okay, elite athlete.
Elite
And you
athlete.
expect
Yeah,
MMT could help you? I don't think so.
It will not help. लोग स्पोर्ट्स में भी एमएमटी करते हैं. So that has to stop,
Yeah.
and it will stop, I feel, if we start asking questions. Okay,
Yes,
if we
absolutely.
start asking questions, if we start discussing this in forums, okay, we have to start discussing this in forums कि MMT क्यों कर रहे हैं हम लोग. That is the thing. There might be a certain population
Yeah.
जहाँ पे MMT relevant है,
Right.
but there is a big population जहाँ पे MMT इतना relevant नहीं है.
Absolutely.
That is the thing. Another thing is look at muscles versus movements. Okay,
Yeah.
are you strengthening muscles?
Muscles,
Or are you
yeah.
strengthening movements? That is
Yes.
a very very big concept which I feel the younger physios should try to
Right.
imbibe. That
Right.
is the
That-
thing.
Yeah,
That way.
absolutely. So we conclude here.
Yeah,
okay,
we will,
and,
yeah, we will get back to
Yeah.
whatever patients we have today. And we'll meet you next time. But if you have any topic, just like हमने MMT discuss किया,
Yes.
it could be goniometry, it could be isolated muscle contractions, or it could be
Yeah.
isometric exercises.
Yes.
Let us know and let us
Let us
give
have
us
few more coffee break sessions
few
in the
more
clinic.
discussions
Yeah.
with that. Okay,
Yeah.
see you guys. Bye.
Bye bye.